Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about basic chaos magic for the self-initiate. You don't need to be a part of some kind of group to be a chaos magician. In fact, I don't even believe in those kind of groups that much. Chaos magic is the art of destroying strongholds that are psychological and emotional within your mind. Because chaos is the initial creator of order. Destruction of energy breeds creation of energy. So when you destroy this order, you breed creation. But order is not good, and chaos/disorder is not evil. It's the opposite. Order is evil. Order is patterns, consistent shapes, manipulation of chaos. And in spirituality, not physicality, because physical is just flesh, it's not alive. In spirituality, it's also destruction breeds order, creation. But when you make order, you're actually manipulating chaos to feel certain things. So while chaos is good, holy, peaceful, inner peace, order becomes what's known as delusion and seeing things not as they are, which, since we're all spiritually connected, the effect is negative and selfish and unbalanced. So all you need to do, this is all you have to do, seek truth and destroy any delusion that you are aware of, that you can destroy. This is an active pursuit of truth, a perpetual vigilance toward any confusion, but any falsely built, puzzles in your mind. The feeling that comes with chaos, since we're beings of chaos, of destruction, is peace, balance, holiness, the good stuff, the actually just stuff. Because everything in creation started with destruction, and everything in creation can be balanced. It's when you breed order that things go balanced. People think I have this problem, or this is like this, so it can't be reconciled. You can't make peace with this problem. I say everything that is in creation started with destruction, and everything that's created, spiritual or physical, can be destroyed, and it will be. And that's what is the whole goal of a chaos worker, light worker, is first of all to push the message that everything that is a problem can be turned into, first of all, you realize it's a problem. A problem is an illusion. You know what I mean? Like, there's an answer for every seeming problem that will make everything else be in balance. So I hope that kind of makes sense. So guys, destroy your delusions, destroy every psychological temple that you built. Let yourself be in pure chaos that will breed what you want inside of you and in the world around you. Thank you for watching, everybody.